Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to add fisheye cameras on Homaxi NVRs. Stay with us. Before you begin, you need to connect the fisheye cameras and the NVR to the same local network. Go to the main menu and select Camera, Channel Set. Use the search function to locate the fisheye camera. Click on Edit to change the camera channel to manual mode. Click Clear All to free up 1 to 6 channels. Click Add to open the Edit dialog box. Enter the password for the fisheye camera and select All. By default, channels 1 to 6 will be selected. Click on Fisheye Set to adjust the installation position and video output mode of the fisheye camera. After adding successfully, click Edit to modify the output channel of the fisheye camera in CHNLD. By configuring the fisheye mode and changing the output channel, you will have successfully added the fisheye camera. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.